A lot of people who are starting off in their career in data analytics or data science will start looking for a mentor. What I want to do in this video is show you how to successfully get a mentor. Most mentors do mentoring for free. They don't want anything in return. They just want to help someone because they've been helped in the past, or they want to give something back, or they feel that they're in a stage in their career where they can actually give things back. So a lot of mentors don't want anything. So what is the advantage, or what is the benefit to a mentor to have a mentee? Now, when you are going to approach a mentor, okay, don't forget that what they're interested in is seeing you progress. Okay, so they're not really interested in whether you get a job or whether you learn this skill, whether you learn that skill, because they're tactical things. And sometimes you don't actually need a mentor for that. You can just go on a course, or you can get a coach, or you can do something that will help you improve your CV, get the skills that you need to help you get the job that you want. Okay, what a mentor is really there for is to make sure that you grow and that you are equipped with the skills, and the necessary knowledge to be able to be a good data scientist or a good data analyst. Now, when you're approaching a mentor, the first thing I would recommend is go with an objective. When you're going to that mentor and saying, "Can you be my mentor?" it's really good to say why you want them to be your mentor. What is your objective? Is it because you want to move from a junior role to a more senior role? Is it that you want to move from your current role to a leadership role? Is it that you're just starting off in your career and you want to understand what the data analytics landscape is like, what the real world working environment is like? So go with an objective. Go to the mentor and say, "Hi, I'm looking for a mentor. I'd love if you could be my mentor because of whatever." So you've done research on them, but go with an objective. The second thing is, and I slightly mentioned that earlier, is why do you want them to be your mentor? What's so special, or what's so different, or what's so unique about them that they would be a good mentor for you? Because sometimes people are just, asking loads and loads of people to be a mentor. And a lot of people are like, "Well, why did you choose me?" So go with your reasons. Have your reasons why you feel this person will be a good mentor. Is it because they worked in the industry that you worked in? Is it that they have a career that you aspire to? Is it because that they're connected to someone, or someone has connected you to them? That's why you want them to be your mentor. So go with a reason why you want them to be your mentor. The other thing is, when you are approaching a mentor, set expectations, okay? So tell them what it is that you expect from them as a mentor, and also bring to the table what they can expect from you. So if you provide that expectation on both sides, at least a mentor would know what kind of commitment they have to give and what you are willing to commit to also in this relationship. The other thing that you should always do when you are approaching a mentor is have some kind of timeline, okay? Try and set expectations in terms of how long you want them to be your mentor. Now, sometimes these mentoring relationships can go on for years, but in the initial phases, what you don't want to do is say, "Look, this is an open-ended mentorship," because the mentor might feel, "I can't commit to an open-ended mentorship." So set a timeline. Say, "Look, I am looking to get promoted within the next 6 months. I could really do with someone to mentor me, to help me as I go through this journey." And then the mentor knows it can last up to 6 months. It might last less. Or you're saying, "I'm looking for a job. I'd really like to get a job." And most people want a job within 3 months, if latest 6 months. So you're going to commit, the mentor's going to commit to 3 to 6 months. So go with a timeline of how long you want them to be the mentor. And then finally, acknowledge that they're doing this without expecting anything in return. Obviously, they might get some satisfaction out of being a mentor. I mean, I mentor a lot of people and I just enjoy watching them grow and succeed. So a lot of people just enjoy doing mentoring just for the reward of knowing that they've helped someone. But you've still got to show your gratitude. So you've got to say, "Look, I'd really appreciate if you'd be my mentor," and explain how you would also, like I said, commit to the relationship. That and just show that you're grateful. If they were to be your mentor, you'd be grateful. To just show some gratitude to the mentor. Okay, so those are sort of my tips to how you can get a mentor.